We showed you diagnostics, and we're going to hit the joystick going up over here, and we're going to go to maintenance and go down. As you can see, we'll start from the beginning. We have ABS. We have adaptive front lighting system reset, air suspension matching, airbag reset, battery matching, brake pad reset, DPF regeneration, EGR adapt, electronic throttle adapt, gear learning, gearbox learning, anti-theft key matching, injection code, ODO meter reset, oil reset, seat calibration, steering angle reset, sunroof initialization, TPMS reset, Windows calibration, and those are the things you can do. If we go up further, we have upgrade. We could do the application software, the maintenance software, and a vehicle diagnostic software. And in the more, we went through this earlier on. Those are the things that we could do with this program. This is a MUCAR OBD2 reader, bidirectional, 20 resets, a scan tool to read information and fix your vehicle via a diagnostics tool. And what we're going to be doing is unboxing, showing you what you get inside, and demonstrate on the car what this is all about. The MUCAR 682, as we open up, we have the instruction guide to go over, application, updates, and more. Laid on top is a screen protector to put on. Pulling out the unit next, it is a silicone skid-proof cover with blue all around, a film protector, a 4-way button, an OK, and a return, and the OBD cable area, and the on and off. And on the back of the unit, rubber and a hard case. Inside is your wired cable to plug into the unit, and the OBD module with the cap protector, and the USB A to C compliance cable, charging cable. As we further go over the unit, on the side we have a silicone door that opens up. We have a reset, a TF card slot, optional card, and the USB-C charging area. Charged, the unit is lit up with 100%, a large battery with the percentage. Please remember to peel off the protective film. And placing on the protective film is peeling off, lining up the best you can, and peeling off the protective cover. Turning on the unit is a long press of the button. The main screen is welcoming. Start. With tips, we have diagnostics, maintenance, upgrade, more, auto search, enter, and a button pressing which will get you to the Wi-Fi area. Supports 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. A keyboard and touchscreen to enter your password. Backing out by hitting the back undo button, and firmware to load. Once everything's set up, we're able to use the unit as set up for the car. We're going to go over the unit and show you what is in the unit and how to go about. The first one is VIN. As we click on it, it asks to connect the cable and connect to your car for the VIN number. Pressing on the second one is diagnostics to diagnose of the car, scanning the tool. The OBD to read fault codes and clear the fault codes. The history of the unit. If there is history, there would be information located here and backing out to the main screen. The next one is the report and the feedback and the dollar fix community and the intelligence assistance. As we go over the unit and we want some information, and this would get into the AI, troubleshoot fault codes. Enter the vehicle, scroll down, find the vehicle, Honda, enter the fault code. OK. Searching for the fault code, definition, symptom, and circuit system inspection. Back to the previous page and re-entering the code, we could search via going with the typing and enter the code, OK, and exit. We have on the top a Windows button, Auto Search, Diagnostics, OBD, History Report, everything we just went through. We have a maintenance by hitting the maintenance, upgrade, and more. In the settings, we click on Enter. We have Quick Control, User, Universal, Maintain, and About. We have settings on Online Services, Operating Instructions, OBD Fault Library, Coverage List, Gadget, Remote Assistance, and the badges. If we swipe down on the top of the screen, we have information of your Wi-Fi, video, portrait, landscape, brightness level. As we click on the first icon, it brings up over here a small badge on top that you can move around. You can share, photo, and analyst. If we swipe down again and we hit on video, we have a video line that we could bring anywhere we want on the screen. And then we have here, we could switch the screen upside down, and then we would have to re-switch it again. Then we have customer service and, of course, your AI that can be moved only on the sides. These cannot be put in the middle. They could be put on either side, left or right. If we swipe left or right, we can go into the badges, as you can see. And here we are able to put things in the middle. Certain icons can go. From the bottom to the top, there is no special window. We can use the joystick buttons to go around and so forth, and hit enter to enter if you don't want to use the touch screen. And this is the MUCAR 682, all this controls. Let's go to the car and show you what this is about. When hooking up to the car, the unit will come on and show a battery percentage of charging. Turning the unit on is simple hitting the on button. Boot time takes about a minute. The unit has a memory of where it left off. We're going to enter. We're on the VIN number. Diagnostics. Scanning the VIN. It shows us the battery percentage of the car. It tells us our car and information, and loading notes. We have on the car emission system problem, a P2187 code. Your car is 16-pin DLC or 3-pin DLC, depending on the version, USA. Does the vehicle have a keyless entry remote, one push button start? Press the smart key near the engine to start and stop. The unit's going to pick up the information provided. It'll give you a health report, system scan, system selection. We're choosing system scan. There's a lot this unit can do that we can go over. The MUCAR scanning tool. It is a color scanner as well. Engine control module, transmission control, and so forth. It gives us all the information provided. We're going to do a system selection. We'll do the engine module. We're going to read fault codes. We have a 2187 code. We can search online and so forth. We have a temporary code. It tells us two different types of code. One is current and one is temporary. If we hit this, the MUAI Intelligence Assistance, it gives us a definition, the symptom, and guidance. If we click on definition, symptom, guidance, and we're able to read the information and where to look for our issue. It gives us a picture of our problem, and this is the cable we need to replace. Can we pinch and zoom? These are just some of the things you can do with the OBD2 Artificial Intelligence Scanner. As we hit the fuel tank, you get to see the information provided, and then the next one, and so forth, telling you in schematics. And then you can exit. We have an AC pressure sensor voltage too high, and you could do the artificial intelligence as well. And it give you guidance, the system, and so forth. So if you're looking for scan tools, give you the codes. This is a scan tool that will give you artificial intelligence of the problem and diagnose your issue of the car. There's a lot this tool can do that you can go over in great detail. I hope this is a tool that you are looking for in your diagnostic needs of automobiles. Enjoy your artificial intelligence scan tool OBD2 reader from MUCAR, the 682 AI scan tool. Thank you for viewing.